Hello everybody. Today we are test driving Mercedes A250 CDI convertible, which came in the EPF problems as usual, and the problems has been solved. And lady customer who's been driving the car, testing the car, what can you tell us about your car? How was your car driving before and how is it reacting now?
Before, it wouldn't drive, engine management light every time I drove it, no power, limp mode, not very smooth, and now it's unbelievable. Very
No engine
smooth.
light?
No engine lights.
That's good.
Driving smoothly.
Are you happy?
Very, very happy.
Excellent. We have another happy customer from Moorhouse Garage Ltd, EPFcleaning.com. We are located in Westerham, Kent. Our postcode is Tango, November 16 to Echo Tango. You can reach me on 07533 636 with your DPF, EGR, AdBlue, NOx problems. We are the masters. We are the best for what we do. And you please click on like button and subscribe my channel for further more educational videos. Thanks for watching.